Today we are going to be talking about how can I draw a diagram to solve addition or subtraction problems. Alrighty. Well, first of all, what's a diagram? Okay, well, diagram is just a picture with labels. You've seen lots of diagrams. Here, I'll draw a diagram for you right now. Okay. Here's a diagram. Okay. There's my eye. And there's my mouth. And here's my face. Okay. It's a diagram. Picture with labels. Okay, cool. All right. Now, we can draw diagrams for addition or subtraction. Okay. So let's go ahead and draw an addition diagram. These two pieces give me a whole. Okay, so let's say that I have, this is worth 5, this is worth 3. Okay, so up here, this whole thing is worth 8. Okay, it's 5 and 3, combine them, I now have 8. Okay, now, I'll show you an example of a subtraction diagram. What it might look like. Alrighty, here we go. They might give you something like there's 10 of something, and then there's okay. And they always want you to find this right here. They want you to find, okay, sorry, that's a really bad dot, what this is here. Okay, they want to find that missing piece. Okay, alrighty. So those are examples of what an addition diagram would look like and a subtraction diagram would look like. Great. Okay. So, step 1. Is the problem asking us to find a total or a difference? If we're looking for a total, okay, we're going to be adding. A difference means we're subtracting. So really, when we want to look at it this way, we say, well, if it's 2 parts that equal a whole, we're adding. And if the problem is asking us to compare 2 different things and try to find how they're different, or what the difference between them is, we call that comparison, and we're subtracting. Okay? So here's an example of what a part plus a part equals a whole problem kind of looks like. There are 1,278 girls and 1,243 boys at our school. How many students attend our school in all? Okay. In all means I'm adding. Okay, I want to find a total. Now, here is a comparison problem we'll be subtracting. There are 1,278 girls and 1,243 boys at our school. How many more girls attend school than boys? Aha. How many more? I'm going to compare them. I'm comparing the girls and the boys and finding out how many more girls there are, okay? So I will be subtracting. Okay? So the first thing we have to really look at is the problem itself. Okay? And is it asking us to find a total or a difference? Okay? So we add to find a total. And of course, we subtract to find a difference. Where are we at now? Okay. Step 2. We're going to draw a diagram to solve each kind of problem to show you what it looks like. Remember, our first one was a part plus a part equals a whole. Adding. Here's our problem. Same one. There are 1,278 girls and 1,243 boys at our school. How many students attend our school in all? Well, how can I draw a diagram? Well, let's see. So if I have this many girls, 1,278, and I have this many boys, 1,243. Okay. Put those pieces together, and I will find a total. So I will add those together to find out. Let's see, 1,278 plus 1,243. I'm going to add these together a little quickly because we've already covered this in previous lessons. 8 plus 3 is 11, carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, comes down, put my comma down there. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, there's my total. There are 2,521 kids in my school. Okay, cool. Now, here's a comparison problem. We're going to be looking for a difference between two numbers. Notice how it's different. Still the same information, but we're finding something different now. There, in this problem here, the comparison problem, okay, there are 1,278 girls and 1,243 boys at our school. How many more girls attend school than boys? Aha, how many more means I'm going to be subtracting. So let's first of all draw the model of what this kind of looks like, what we're trying to do here. Okay, here we go. So here's my girls here. I have this many girls. Let's just say 1,278. Okay, now how many boys do I have? Well, there they are. I don't have quite as many boys. I actually have a little bit less boys. I have 1,243. Okay. Now, they're asking you how many more girls are in school than boys. You got to find this right here. What's that? What is this? That's the difference. So we're going to subtract. Okay? And I'm going to do it quickly because we've already covered this before in other lessons. 2, 7, 8 minus 1,243. Ah, cool. I shouldn't do any regrouping. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have just 35. So 35 go in here. That tells me how many more girls attend. Well, there's 35 more girls in school than the boys. Okay? All right. So once again, review real quick, instant replay on all of this. As far as addition and subtraction word problems go, okay, they're be worded a little bit differently. When you see words like over here, words like, where's my magic dot? There you are. Sorry. This one. In all, total. Those are words that tell you you're going to be adding. When you see words like how many more, okay, you're looking for a difference between these two numbers. And you would subtract to find that difference. 35 is a difference between these two numbers. Okay, if I were to add 35 to this number here, I'd get this number up here. Alrighty?